Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can recover deleted notes on your iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. There are two ways in this video I'll explain for how you can recover notes. So for example, let's go and delete this note at the top here. I'll swipe across on it from right to left and I then press on the delete button. So I've now gone and deleted it. When you go and delete a note, it's then moved into the recently deleted folder. So you've got 30 days to then go and recover it before it's deleted. So if you want to then go and recover it, all you need to do is go to the top left and go and click on folders just up here. And you will then see a list. And as you can see, one of the options is recently deleted. So we can click there and you can then see the notes you've got and delete it. And then what you can do is if you want to recover it, you can go and click on edit in the top right, select it, press move in the bottom left, and then you can just go and select notes here. And it will then be moved back and you've got to recover it. And you can go and look at it again. And it's that simple. However, if you've gone and deleted it from the recently deleted folder or it went and been more than 30 days and had been automatically deleted, then the only way you can recover it is if you'd gone and backed up your phone. Since you've gone and created that note and also before you went and deleted it. And then what you could do is restore your phone to that backup and you'll have the note there. But before you restore it, you should do a backup for everything now and then you can restore to an older version. You can then save the note and then you can restore your iPhone to the more recent version you just backed it up. So that's basically how you can recover deleted notes on your iPhone. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.